Flood Rescue Update. 11:22 September 15th, 2025 from the Sutlej banks. 154 saved today. Rescue boats crossing waters, guiding hope along the way. 706 were transported, families carried to higher ground. Bahawalpur, Ahmedpur, Khairpur, Hasilpur. The rescue echo resounds. Hasilpur gave 50 saved. Khairpur added 60 more. 44 in Bahawalpur. Rescue 11:22 opened the door. Ahmedpur moved 543. Khairpur 46 set free. Hasilpur 26. Bahawalpur 91. Safety found for all to see. Till now the numbers rise so high, 25,139 lives. 2,432 transported. 68,584 animals survive. 46 boats with trained crews. Night and day they push through. Rescue 11:22 stands strong, always there to answer you. In the storm, in the cry, Rescue 11:22 is always near. Dial the call. Share your place. Help will reach, have no fear. Subscribe, like and share Shinrai.